Hello friend, welcome back. As you all know that we have this practice page which is very helpful to practice any kind of scenario related to web automation, any complex scenarios like normal standard forms and everything is of course there. And then there are drop downs, slack box, dates, iframe, shadow dom, multiple iframe, nested shadow dom inside iframe, table, pagination, all those kind of scenarios we have already added in this page, so that like you can practice any kind of scenarios for your learning perspective, as well as if you are going to prepare for any interview or you are taking any interview, then you can use this page to like test anyone's skills. In fact, like you can do it for yourself. And now good thing is this, we have added a lot more scenarios here in this page recently, so that like just to cover like everything on this page itself. And these scenarios are suggested by none other than Gaurav Khurana. So those scenarios have been added here in this page, and now you can practice all those scenarios as well. So here you will see that like on this page here, first you see that click to download png file. So there were no scenario was not there to download the file. So now we have added this download file scenario. Like let me just open which all scenarios we have added recently here on this page. So like different types of alert pop-ups. Okay, so I was explaining this one, download button. So we have added this download button on this page, so that now you can download. So this is available like just if you just scroll little bit, so whatever features or functionality was there at whatever place, those are already there in the same place. We have added there on the right side of this new place here, whichever was earlier it was blank. So first one we have added a download file. So if you click on this, it will basically download the file. So now you can just like basically if you want to test any download button on the web page and you want to write, so you can see that you can now download this file. Then second one is choose file. Like if you want to upload any file, so this button is also available now. So if you want to practice how to write an automation script for a button which is where file can be uploaded, so that is available now here. You can simply right click and inspect these elements and look at their DOM and then practice those if you want. Next one is now we have added the alert pop-up as well. Different types of alert pop-up we have added here. So earlier there were alert pop-ups were not there in this page. So if you want to practice like or test your skill for the alert pop-up, then you can, now we have those alert pop-up is as well here. So if you click on this, click to open window alert, if you click on this, it will show you something like this. So this is a window based alert pop-up, like which you cannot inspect. So like if you try to right click, you won't be able to. So these are the window based. So basically like many a times this question comes from the people that how to inspect this or how to write the XPath or selectors. So we cannot write these XPath or selectors for such kind of alert pop-up. Okay. Then another types of pop-up which is also a kind of like alert, window based alert only, but this we know call it as prompt alert. If you click on this, it will open something like this, and if you want to enter some value, you can enter some value here. But again, this is like you cannot inspect these elements of these window alerts. So basically you cannot inspect the window based alert pop-up. Then there is a next type of pop-up which is model. Basically it will open like a pop-up only, alert I mean I shouldn't say alert, it will open as a model, as a pop-up which you can inspect. So if you click on this open model, you see that it has opened like this, and then now if you want to right click and inspect, you will be able to inspect, and you will be able to write the XPath for all these elements here in this page, and then on this pop-up, and also you can inspect this close button as well. So if you want to write the automation script for these, then you will be able to do that. So these scenarios has been added, so you can just basically like just go through these, and if you want to practice, take interview, or you want to prepare for yourself for the interview, then you can just practice these scenarios from this page itself. And then you know like there is shadow DOM, iframe inside shadow DOM, close shadow DOM, open shadow DOM, canvas element, date picker, different kinds of drop down, everything is already available in this page, which you can practice. And these scenarios, like these elements, looks very simple but yet very complicated. Like if you try to write XPath for this is a really complex scenario here. It might be looking simple, like entering the value on these input box which are disabled. So how you can enter the value inside the disabled input box. This is SVG element. So each and every element in this page has a special scenario along with them, so that you can practice. This is pagination is here, this is the cross origin iframe scenario is here, so you can practice that. And here we have mentioned which all scenarios are available in this page. Also you can see that here. Now if you will load this page, you will see the spin loader here like this. So this basically disappear in few seconds. So how you can inspect this kind of spin loader, how you can write XPath and selector for this also you can practice now on this page. Like, so let's say we have this feature in SelectorsHub already. Using SelectorsHub debugger, you can inspect such kind of bubble loader. Like if I can show you quickly, just open SelectorsHub, and here, because this debugger is immediately like getting disappear before you click on the debugger button. So you can either change the debugger time from 5 seconds to 0 seconds, or let me just click on this, and as soon as this debugger appears here, you need to click on the when you click on this debugger, it will start by default in 5 seconds, but within 5 seconds, if it doesn't disappear, then it will be paused here, it will not go away. If it goes, then you can change that 5 seconds to 0 seconds, and you will be able to inspect. So you can see that it is generating and we are able to inspect. But in some cases it will be disappearing within 5 seconds. Then in that case you can go and change this to 0, then immediately it will pause this. So for that, like for debugger feature, I have created a separate tutorial how you can use the SelectorsHub debugger feature, so that you can check it out. So these are the scenarios we have added, and a big thanks to Gaurav Khurana for suggesting these amazing feature like scenarios which we have added recently on the SelectorsHub practice page. Do practice and learn more about it. If you will be able to automate this page, trust me, you are really good in automation testing, like at least web automation testing. So do practice about each and every scenario in this page. You will see a lot of scenarios, really complex scenarios you will find on this page. Hope you will enjoy it and you will learn something new. With that, thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.